Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 NFTs under 200 million market cap. We're going to start with, here bro, let's go there, Wilder World and number one. Yeah, because DigiBuy is at 210, right? So we're going to look at Wilder World. We're going to look at Wilder World. Okay, let's get this right. Hang on. Okay, we're going to look at Wilder World, CyberConnect, Alephium, Smooth Love Potion, Coins inSure, Nakamoto Games, BIGTIME, Gomining, and then we'll end it with Oasis at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Wilder World. Okay, what's happening with Wilder World? To me, Wilder World was in an accumulation. Not the kind that I would look for, because this is a a series of higher highs. And it's higher low, but again, here was kind of a lower low. And then it was a higher low, and it's like, yeah, but anyway, this was an accumulation. We've already broken out of the accumulation, and now we are probably on our way out. We've already hit some resistance over here. I suspect that we're going to be consolidating for a break higher. How much higher do I think we could go? Again, my guess is we'll hit some resistance over here at around 330. We're at 68 cents, so there's still a long way to go. If we go to 330, this would be like roughly 380%. Still a lot more to go for Wilder World. I don't think we're done yet. So we're still, again, above the skinny pink line. And if you were to zoom in to the small time frames, this looks to me like a... Yes, really 3. Yeah, there could be another wave lower though. Yeah, there could be another one lower. Sweeping these lows and these lows before we reverse back up. But, normally I would look for chart patterns, because I'm a classical chart pattern trader and I don't see it for Wilder World, so I will be a little bit more cautious about rushing into a trade for Wilder World. CyberConnect. Okay, CyberConnect doesn't really look that good. Why does it not look good? Okay, let me tell you why. Again, when it went up, right, when Cyber went up, it was a very slow crawl up, and when it fell, it was BAM! So fast, right? So let's say, for example, from here to the top, 52 days, right? From the top to the bottom, 18 days. 52 versus 18. Look at the speed. Where is it falling? Yeah, towards the downside. It's not rising fast. It's falling fast. So if anything, we're anticipating a continuation towards the downside. Yeah, we're anticipating a continuation downside for Cyber. It's not looking good, boys and girls. It's not looking good. I suspect we're going to clear all of these clusters of cells here, everything is going to be cleared. More likely than not. So I would preach caution for Cyber. It doesn't look too good. Alephium, ALPH, USDT. Here we are for Alephium. Anything for ALPH? Yeah, we've done a lot though. From the very bottom to the very top, it's 8,000%. More upside? Yes, I think more upside. Again, this whole thing is a wave 1. Down for a wave 2, up for a 3, down for a 4. I'm expecting a wave 5 for Alephium. I don't think we're done yet. We're almost there. We're very close to the end. Again, very clear resistance line. Although this was a lower low, we would prefer higher lows, but let's just assume this is a lower low. And this was an accumulation which broke out. Once we broke out, again, we had an kind of a... Yeah, see, this is like a carbon copy of this. You see this? You see this? It's the same thing. Almost the same thing. So anyway, it broke out as well. Right. So yeah, it's doing pretty well. But I fear that there will be a reversal not too far away. Is this the top? Again, we're not entirely sure. Could we still see more upside? Sure. But is it wise to go long for Alephium at this point of time? Nope. Not for me. Smooth Love Potion, SLP against USD, looks really good. But SLP is following Axie Infinity. So it's very important that AXS does not collapse. As long as AXS is still up, more likely than not, SLP should be continuing on its bullish trend towards the upside. We're still above the skinny pink line. The bias is still bullish for SLP. We're still expecting more upside to come. Again, the all-time high is so far away. So from where we are to all-time high is potentially, yeah, it's in thousands, right? And the potential is there, thousands. But again, no guarantees. This was, again, you can assume that this was something like an inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, broke out. We're at support right now. Will support hold or will support drop lower? Okay, we're not entirely sure. We would love to see more buying pressure coming in to push the price higher though. We are very dangerously close to the skinny pink line. So best thing that could happen for SLP is we hit higher, consolidate a little bit longer, and then we continue higher. Best thing that could happen for SLP. Where could we head towards? Again, noisy area number 1 is over here. So probably to around 1.5 cents. After that, again, the next noisy area is around here. So my guess is around 6 cents. And then potentially the final one is at around 22 cents. Again, purely guessing at this point of time. We are at 0.3 cents, 0.38 again. So this is a lot towards the upside with huge potential. And again, you don't want to be caught on a downwards trend. Monitor the skinny pink line very closely. But I think SLP could be a banger, absolute banger if it starts rising from here. It's not gonna take like 1 day or 1 week or 1 month. It's probably gonna take months for it to rise higher. So yeah, but SLP looks good to me. It looks really good. Again, no clear high quality tradable chart pattern, so we can't have any clear targets, but we know where the resistance areas are. Syscoin SYS against USDT. Here we are for Syscoin. We are the same thing. We're above the skinny pink line against something like a inverse head and shoulder. Out, retracing. Again, if you were to cut through the wicks, right, this is something like a falling channel. Falling channels usually break higher. So if and when BTC resumes its uptrend, I suspect Syscoin is going to continue higher. My guess is we're probably going to clear all the highs over here. So again, I will probably be getting out if I were to be in at about 93 cents. Right now we're at 19 cents, 18 cents, 18, 19 cents. So still a long way to go. Another 393% in my opinion for Syscoin. No hard targets. We just know where the likelihood of things where it could end up at. So yeah, there you go. Still more upside though. You can also find bearish chart patterns, like for example we just saw Cyber, but you can also find bullish chart patterns. inSure. So if you look at inSure, we've got targets for inSure, which we acquired since February 2024, and inSure is in a squeeze. Do you see this? Value 1, value 2. Looks like we are potentially breaking higher. If I just invert the chart, right, and you will see this as a descending triangle, right? It just keeps getting lower and lower, right? When we rise, it's very slow. When we fall, it's very fast. Rise is very slow. Fall is so fast. Look at where we are. What do you think is going to happen next? I like inSure. I really like inSure. So again, clear targets over here at 3.8 cents and then at 6.6 cents. I suspect that if the momentum continues for inSure, we could be hitting 10 cents. I think the whales are looking for 10 cents. So yeah, inSure looks really good to me. Liquidity is also quite good at 2 million. It's 143 million market cap. So from where we are to, let's say, for example, T1 is about 600%. T2 is about 1,000. So yeah, there's still a lot more to go for inSure. I don't think we're done yet. So there we go. Looks really good, huh? Nakamoto games. NAKA against USDT. Okay, we're gonna look at it on KuCoin. So for NAKA, okay, NAKA doesn't really look good. Why? Because NAKA was already rising during the bearish trend, right? It was what you would call as a first mover, and it was already up 5,000%. So in my opinion, it would be wise not to get into NAKA at this point of time. And NAKA looks to me like it could be forming a head and shoulders, right? It could be collapsing back down, right? But we like what we see, right? Even if it does fall, this is great because we could be getting a wave C. A, down, up, B, C, right? It's just the natural order of things. And after that, once we're done for the next halving, we could see Nakamoto games do really, really well. But for now, yeah, I don't think so. It looks a bit scary to me. BIGTIME is fairly new. If you look at BIGTIME, Gate. Okay, let's look at Gate. Yeah, this is BIGTIME. Anything for us to work with? No, this is just one big mountain. So I suspect that BIGTIME could be hitting a little bit higher to form mountain number 2 and then mountain number 3, descending triangle, we head lower. Or if BIGTIME just keeps dropping lower, then this could be a wave A setup. And then we could be curving back up for a B. Will we get this? Okay. BIGTIME is the next coin for us at this point of time. Gomining. Anything for Gomining? Let's look at Gomining. Crypto. Where is okay? Gomining is just like BIGTIME. No, not just like BIGTIME. It's just like Nakamoto games, right? All the way down, all the way up, coming down for a wave C. Yes. I don't know. We're quite overexhausted, so I'd be cautious about going in to Gomining. Oasys. OAS against USDT. Here we are for Oasys. Anything for Oasys? Yeah, no, we're under the skinny pink line. So if anything, we are anticipating continuation towards the downside. Sure, you can argue that we already oversold. There could be a reversal, but in terms of tradability, it's a no-go. All right, boys and girls, hope you guys have a great midweek. See you in the next one. And if you have yet to see the AI coins that we did yesterday, go check it out. See you. Ta-ta.